Welcome, Dr. Hope. You have heard the Malappuram incident. What you have to say about it? How can we educate the public? Please, ma'am. What is rabies virus? Rabies virus, which is a serious and often deadly virus transmitted through the bite or saliva of infected animals. Rabies virus affects the central nervous system. Symptoms include fever, confusion, hallucinations, and eventually paralysis and death if untreated. It is preventable with prompt post-exposure vaccination. Rabies is primarily transmitted through the bite or scratch of an infected animal because the virus is present in their saliva. First, animal bites, most common root example from dogs, bats, raccoons, foxes. Second, scratches if saliva gets into a fresh scratch or broken skin. Third, mucous membranes, rarely saliva entering the eyes, nose or mouth. Fourth, organ transplants, extremely rare but it has occurred. To prevent rabies, you can take the following key steps. First, vaccinate pets. Ensure your dogs, cats and ferrets are regularly vaccinated against rabies. Second, avoid contact with wild animals, especially bats, raccoons, foxes, skunks and stray animals. Never try to pet or feed wild animals. Third, supervise pets outdoors. Don't let them roam freely, especially at night when wild animals are active. Fourth, report strange animal behavior. Animals acting unusually tame or aggressive, maybe rabid. Report them to animal control. Fifth, vaccinate people at high risk. This includes veterinarians, animal handlers and travelers to areas where rabies is common. Sixth, post-exposure prophylaxis. PEP. If bitten or scratched, wash the wound with soap and water immediately, then seek medical attention right away for a rabies vaccine series and rabies immune globulin if needed. If you think you have been exposed to rabies, example through a bite or scratch from a potentially rabid animal, follow these steps immediately. Wash the wound thoroughly. Use soap and running water for at least 15 minutes. Apply an antiseptic like iodine or alcohol if available. Seek medical attention immediately. Go to a hospital or clinic as soon as possible. Medical professionals will assess your risk and start treatment if needed. Begin post-exposure prophylaxis. PEP. Rabies immune globulin given once around the wound if you have never been vaccinated. Rabies vaccine, a series of 4 doses over 14 days of 5 doses if immune compromised. Monitor the animal if possible. If it's a pet or domestic animal, report it for observation. Wild animals may need to be captured for testing. Report the incident. Inform local health departments or animal control. Rabies is nearly always fatal once symptoms appear, so do not delay treatment. Kerala girl dies of rabies despite vaccination after stray dog attack. Malappuram, Kerala, April 29. A 6-year-old girl who was bitten by a stray dog a month ago died of rabies on Tuesday despite receiving preventive vaccination in Kerala's Malappuram district, family sources said. She suffered critical injuries to her head, face and legs and had been under treatment at the Government Medical College Hospital in neighbouring Kozhikode district for several days. I am heartbroken to hear about the tragic loss of this little girl. No words can truly ease the pain of losing someone so young and full of life. Please know that you are in my thoughts and prayers during this time of unimaginable sorrow.